Hey, so today's location is Friendship, Indiana. We are working on the old Lafferty Creek Dam. You can see last flood season took a toll on the concrete, and we came down to have some fun and take some time off and patch some holes, some cracks that have developed. It's making it a little unsafe when we have campfires around. And we're going to flatten out, clean up, and see what we can do. We got about 8-9 bags of cement, and we take the afternoon, brought a paddle down. We're going to mix up and use some glue and some waterproofing added to our concrete mix, and it should help out. Here's my cousin Josh stopped down the sight in a gun. Perfect timing. Had a great sunny afternoon. Enjoyed it. Hope you all had a great Easter. Thank you. Yeah, that's me. Still got it. My cousin Josh is sighting this in for an elk hunt. He's sighting it in for over 200 yards. So once it gets down, we get down to the target. He kind of explains that his grouping should be about an inch high of the bullseye, and he's more concerned with the grouping of the bullet, his pattern, how the bullet's performing. So each one of his bullets has a different amount of gunpowder in it, and he's checking to see which one's faster and performs better at certain distances.
It's like 5.9 pounds without the scope. It's like, I think 7.5 with the scope.
It's definitely light. I like it.
Yeah, it'll be good for.
Let's go check this target.
Check us out at CincinnatiChimneySweep.com. Thank you.
Well, it definitely is probably still hotter though.
Yeah.
Barrel.
These are